how Redbird got his color.
One day, Raccoon saw Wolf. Raccoon played a trick on Wolf. Then Raccoon laughed. Wolf was mad. Wolf chased Raccoon. Raccoon ran fast. Wolf could not catch him. Raccoon came to a river. He ran up a tree. He said, "I will rest here." Wolf came to the river. He looked in the water. He saw Raccoon. Raccoon was lying with his eyes closed. Wolf thought, "Now I will catch him." Wolf jumped into the river. The water was deep and fast. Wolf swam hard to get out of the river. Then Wolf was tired. He wanted to lie down and rest. He fell asleep by the river. Raccoon came down from the tree. He got some mud. He put the mud over Wolf's eyes. Then Raccoon ran away laughing. Wolf woke up. He could not open his eyes. Wolf yelled,
"Help! I can't open my eyes!"
Brown Bird flew down. He sat on Wolf's head. Brown Bird said, "I can help you, Wolf." Wolf said,
"Who are you?"
Brown Bird said, "I am Brown Bird." Wolf said,
"Help me, Brown Bird, then I will help you."
Brown Bird took the mud off Wolf's eyes. Wolf said,
"Thank you, Brown Bird. Let me give you something."
"What?" asked Brown Bird.
"Do you like the color red?"
asked Wolf.
"I know a red rock. I can paint your feathers."
Wolf ran through the forest. He ran to a big rock. The rock was red. Wolf said,
"Here is the rock. Do you like this color, Brown Bird?"
"Yes," said Brown Bird. "I like that color."
"Then I will paint you,"
said Wolf. Wolf painted Brown Bird. Soon, Brown Bird was not brown. He was all red.
"How is that?"
Wolf asked. "Very nice," said Brown Bird. Brown Bird flew away. He found his family and friends. He showed them his red feathers. They said,
"We can't call you Brown Bird now.
Now you are Redbird." That is why redbirds live in the forests today.